Jess here from Solid Canine Training. Today is an exciting day because it is the first day that our pool is officially up, open, and ready to use. As you can see, we got a bunch of our daycare dogs, staff dogs out here having some fun. Pool went up earlier this week, ready to use. Cherry's complaining because he can't get a toy. So we got Zoe, Jade, Chewy, Jake, Zara, Asher, all having some fun. What's great about our pool is we can use it as a training tool, let the dogs have some fun. And with our friendly dogs, we're able to allow them to go swimming together. Got our awesome staff, Lily and Beth over there. They're the ones in charge. So yeah, just a look, guys, at our pool, Solid Canine Training. It's open and you're ready to go for our board and train, daycare, board and play dogs. We use a pool for confidence building for a lot of our dogs too. And we'll definitely be showing you videos, and we've posted them in the past, of how you can get your dog started in the pool for the first time. If you have any questions about swimming, you can ask them below and we'll answer them for you. Again, guys, just two of our daycare dogs, staff dogs, testing out the pool for the very first swim of the year. Jade's having a little trouble getting up the ramp over there. She's got it. She always gets it. Takes her a minute sometimes. All of these dogs have been through our program, board and train, or one-on-one classes. Again, we'll definitely be showing you how we get dogs started. For the very first time, we use long lines to get them in the pool, guide them around.